Hey guys, it's your girl Carnival Lucy, and we are here doing the Come Kiki, come do the stuff now.
Out my chest.
And Kiki Carnival in the back eating. And here is our Gen X haul for this evening. First of all, I got this. Is it merch?
There's no vowels in the word, but I think it's March. It's either March or merch.
March or merch. You guys are gonna vote below. I got this cool leg pack to go like so for road march. I got the mocha because I feel like if you're a brown girl, this is kind of like can go with anything. But they have different colors. I love this. I already tried it on. It fits. And sometimes when you have chunkier legs, it's a struggle to find leg packs. So I'm gonna start with the Jouvert bag, right? I got this lovely drawstring bag. Let me back it up. From Gen X. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what's inside. So I have my Gen X sippy cup. Keyword sippy cup. Came with my wristband for Jouvert. We have a Maggie 2-minute noodles, just in case I get hungry. All right. You know when you do Jouvert, they throw in paint and powder, and it's a whole bunch of pandemonium. So we have some phone covers. Love that for us. What else? What else? So this is tumbler number 2. This is a Smirnoff sponsored tumbler for the weekend. I personally bring my own tumblers. I have 2 already in my suitcase, so TBD on that. We have a Jouvert wipe. Oh no, this is like a head covering situation. Okay. They have about 15 different ways on how you can wear this, so I'm gonna figure it out because y'all are not gonna jack up this hair. And then last but not least, my monokini. I tried it on earlier just to make sure because I was a little nervous. You know, us, you know, blessed and highly favored individuals can't fit the fun bags in these monokinis, but it fit, so got it still good, and we're gonna march. So this is my pink one. You know me, I love a good pink. And that was my Jouvert bag. Now to get into the bag, my bag included my headpiece for road march. I went with Pirate. It's a backline costume. I did the wire bra upgrade. I'll show that to you in a moment, but this is beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. This is a sneak peek. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. We're gonna be outside. Oh, it came off and it didn't tear out any hair. Love that. So the bag, beautiful. I love the attention to detail. Gen X, and because it is dragon themed, we have some dragon scales going on, snake print, whatever, what have you. This is how the bag came. Let's see what came inside. Another tumbler number 8. But this is sponsored by Rum Stripe. I got my Rum Stripe tumbler. So let's add this to the tumbler section. Almighty God, another cup. Gen X cup has my wristband. So once again, I now have a tumbler section going on over here on this floor. Another Maggie. I'm gonna have plenty of soup this weekend, I guess. Some hot chocolate. A nice pumpkin soup. Frosted Flakes, they're more than good, they're great. So that's good for the saints. Body fragrance, you know you gotta stay fresh. Don't walk on the people them road and smelling like soap. Vicks Vapor Rub. Mine is a little a little runny right now, so I'm gonna put that on a little bit. Oh, this is cute. We have a Wendy's body butter. Nice whipped body butter. It doesn't smell like a Frosty, but it does smell good. Banana chips, staple. We are in Jamaica. Ginger tea. Addie wants some ginger tea because she has. Okay.
And I have.
All right. That's fine. Maybe she needs to have the pumpkin soup.
Yes.
So ginger tea, very importante. A little Epsom salt to soak. I guess my feet after the road. That's important. And then we have a cocoa body oil. I might use that for Jouvert so I can get rid of the paint. Candy Kisses body butter. Moisturizer. So we have 2 body butters, some oils. They want us to not be dry on the road, so I appreciate them for it. Last but not least, they also want us to be safe. If I'm gonna be safe, I need more than one, but I appreciate you guys for the protection that I will not need. But thank you for keeping me in mind. And then a strap for the bag. So I'm sitting here styling and profiling with my bag, with my strap, with my 5 tumblers, and a whole bunch of noodles, hot things to drink. Okay, so that was that for that bag. Now for the main event, guys. This is what we come here for. Look at this box. They thought about it. They gave us time. It's in this nice big box. All the socials printed on it. They have my whole order printed on a label. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Alright, first thing, because once again, I did go through this a little bit because, you know, when you do Carnival, you gotta make sure that things fit and things are in the places where they need to be. So this is the bottom piece. That's gonna go in my banzi. We'll see how that pans out. This is the wire bra option that I have. Also, let's see how that pans out. Someone's gonna have to stitch me into this because we're gonna figure it out. My order came with some leg pieces, still in the plastic. I will not remove them until the day of. You guys will get a nice, wonderful show of that. This is my neck piece. Once again, everything's gonna come together once I actually put the costume on. Hand pieces are also gonna go on. And then last but not, oh, I got a folding fan. Well, y'all got the fanny packs.
That's probably what your replacement is.
Oh, this is a good replacement because I was definitely gonna order this off of Amazon, but I brought my own anyway. So yeah, okay.
Let Addie use her family cup.
Okay, so yeah, she can borrow. Okay, a nice cute. Oh, it says KFC on it. Wow, KFC said I don't want you to butt up, even though.
Because the chicken that butt up, they can't.
So how you get this?
Pull it out.
Okay, technical difficulties, but I'll figure it out. So this was the extent of the unboxing. Oh, it's a little tattoo.
Yes.
GenX, I will be on the road with my little tattoo. And guys, this is all I have to give you. I'm super excited. It's gonna be a great weekend. Catch me outside. If you see me, say hi. Add me on socials. I'll be with my girls, so we're super friendly, I promise. Once again, thank you for joining me for my unboxing. This is Carnival Lucy, and I'll see you next time.